Hi, welcome to Families with Us. Today we're going to be making a Chinese New Year's decoration from red envelopes. And here are the supplies you're going to need. 20 red envelopes, a tassel for decoration, a string to hold it, a pencil, scissors, a stapler. I'm going to be using a stapler because I feel like it's easier, but you can also use a glue stick if you'd like. And these are also optional. You can make your own traceables at home. First, I'm going to trace the circle on this side where there's nothing. And now I'm going to cut it out with my scissors. Alrighty, so now I'm just gonna throw this thing out. And now I'm gonna use a triangle thing and I'm gonna trace it onto here. Make sure the edges are touching the sides of your circle. Otherwise it's not gonna work, otherwise it looks wonky. All 20 circles traced with triangles and cut out. So now we're going to fold every single one of these. Make sure you fold it this way, like so. So when you fold it, you see the sort of the whitish pinkish side. And you're going to do them to every single 20 of them. And it should look like this. Okay, so now that we've folded all 5, you can either glue or staple them. I'm gonna be stapling it. So now I have all 20 folded. So now we're gonna make the top, and you're gonna need 5, like I have right here, that are folded. So now what we're going to do, we're going to staple them together, like so. Then you're going to do the same thing again, except it's like going into a circle. So it's basically like a circle and with another circle. And this is what the top should look like. We're going to do the same thing that you did on the top, but you're going to do the same thing for the bottom. Now we have the top and bottom done. Now we're going to make the middle of the lantern with 10. So you want to look a strip like this, and now I'm going to staple it like how it's supposed to look. And now we're going to staple the sides of it like this, right here. Have that. Now we're going to now we're going to put a string. Now we're going to use the string and we're going to put it into the hole right there with the tassel on there. I'm gonna put the tassel through here. And we want to split it like so. And make sure the tassel goes here. And then we'll want to put the bottom and the bottom through the string and like so, like this. So then the tassel's at the bottom. And now you'll want to put this on there. Next. And then you can now I'm going to staple these together. Now it should look like a bowl, sorta, like some sort of bowl. See that? Sort of looks like a bowl. And then now you're gonna put it onto the top, the string through the top, right there, again. And then you're gonna close the bowl with the lid. There you go. And there you have your lantern. Hope you had fun making the Chinese New Year's lantern out of red envelopes.